Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to topic 12. In this topic, we'll be seeing how to create very basic furniture, even basic than the chair that we created, but majorly how to place it inside when we have already created an exterior structure. So let's get straight to it. For this, we'll be creating easy chairs, so literally just a stool. So we can easily select 0.225 as the radius of a circle, provide it a height of 0.02 and make it into a group as such. After this, I will easily select a line from the circumference till the center, and using the circle tool, I will easily go ahead and create a small circle over here of 0.02. Now once this is done, we can erase the center line off and make this into a component as we had made in the previous section and call this a leg. Once I've created the component of this circle, I will use Q, which is the rotate command. Then I'll make the axis of rotation as the center point. Pressing Ctrl, I will copy this circle on the side at 90, enter, and then of course *3, enter to have it array copied in the rotation. After this, I will erase these lines off, enter into the group, enter into the component, and pick up my legs like this at 0.45, enter. And now I can exit the group. Now this entire stool can easily go ahead and become one entire group. Right click and then we can flip it along the blue direction as such. Now once we have created this, we'll go ahead and easily create a bigger table. At this point of time, I will select a circle with 99 sides. And over here, we'll be creating a circle of 1.2 radius. Or even lower than that, we'll be creating a circle with 99 sides and of a radius of just 0.6. Once we're done taking the radius, we'll give it a thickness of 0.02. And we can easily make this whole thing into one single group. Well, after this, we will easily go ahead and select a line, and from the circumference again till the center, we'll go ahead and create a line. Now I'll create a center portion over here of 0.05 and we can erase this off. Once I've created the center circle, I can pick it up at 0.9 as such. Once I've picked it up, I can select F for the offset and provide an offset outside as such. And this offset would just be 0.15. After this, we can give this a small thickness over here and even just raise it slightly like this. As you guys can see, I've created a basic table over here. I can easily select the whole thing, right click and flip it along the blue direction. If you all are wondering why I haven't created this as a group till now, that's because I just wanted to select metal, press Ctrl and provide metal to the base, and then 1, 2 and 3, right click and make it into a group. Well, after this, I would select glass and provide glass to the tabletop as well, as such. So now you all can see how we have created this table. I can select this chair and move it over here. And now we can press Ctrl and copy the chair in all the 4 directions and just place them around the table. We can easily go and make sure that these are placed in a certain manner as such. And now this whole set could become into one single group. I hope all of you have followed me till here. It's a very simple and very easy. We have only used the basic tools of push-pull, circle, offset and copy. Once we are done with this, we're going to be right-clicking on the roof and hiding it. Now the minute we hide the roof, we can easily place our set inside. Just make sure when you're moving the set inside, you're selecting it from the base of the leg. This will help us easily place it on the floor over here as such. Once I've placed this on the floor over here, so I can just zoom in, and make sure I'm placing it on the floor. Once I've placed it on the floor, I can press Ctrl and copy this on the side. Again, selecting this, I can just go ahead and copy this on this side as well, and one more in the front of it over here. As you guys can see, I've just gone ahead and placed these 4 tables easily. The last thing I want to do is I want to build a shelf over here. So for that, I will be entering into the structure now, and I will be selecting this line and M control and copy it 1 meter in front. Now do remember, for entering into the structure, you have to double click on it and making sure that we have this dotted line created around the structure. We have actually entered into the structure after that. Now I can select this line and copy it as well, 1 meter, and erase this off. Now we can exit the structure so that we create the shelf outside the group. Easily I can use the rectangle tool to go ahead and replicate rectangles on top of this surface. Once I'm done with this, I will select this surface and copy it up 1 meter and again 1 meter. Now, as we have created this, I will easily go ahead and give this a thickness of 0.05 as well as this shelf of 0.05 by double clicking. Now we can enter into the group again and erase those lines off, and from outside also erase these lines off. So we have these kind of shelves over here. Now we can enter into the material tab, select wood and provide wood very easily to both of these shelves. Now once you guys are done with this much, then don't forget to 1, 2 and 3 right click and make this into a group, 1, 2 and 3 right click and make this into a group as well. And we can select both the shelves and make both of them into one single group. As you guys can see, we have created a very nice shed design over here, and I can easily go ahead, click on edit, unhide and last. And we would have finished off our project of this shed very nicely with a lot of detail for your first project. So I hope all you guys are excited and you guys can go ahead and try to start creating your all small projects. We'll be entering into the major project right after this. I'll see you guys in the next topic. Take care.